Ever heard stories growing up that wishing upon a shooting star always comes true, but ever felt like you missed seeing a shooting star to wish upon? What if I tell you to get your wishes ready around November 17th and 18th, 2022? Why, you say? There will be a meteor shower. As many as 10 to 15 meteors can be seen each hour. This meteor shower is known as the Leonid's meteor shower. The name Leonids comes from the constellation Leo because their trail seems to originate from that direction. They radiate outward in all directions from Leo, so it is advised to look over the entire area of the sky. This event occurs mostly when the remains of comets pass through the Earth while Earth is completing its orbit around the Sun. The debris looks like streaks in the sky, hence the name shooting stars. How do you see it? Spotting the constellation Leo will be an easy way to observe meteors because this constellation rises late, like around midnight, so basically after the moon sets and before the sun rises. So just lie back and scan the sky in a dark location. So my friends, pen all your wishes on a piece of paper and get ready to wish upon a shooting star early mornings around November 17 and 18 as this shower peaks then. Also, don't forget to check our video What's Up in the Sky on our CKC platform to plan more celestial events for the month.